Hey everyone, I got a donation in today for bingo, and I wanted to share it with you real quick. These come from the lovely Miss Arlene that we all know and love all over YouTube. And I got two of these Laura Ashley notebooks, and they are just perfect. And look at this. Look at these tiny little ink pens. I love them. I would like to have a whole pack of these little ink pens. And then she sent a Mother's Daily Prayer book, which is really nice. It's kind of heavy though, really heavy, so yeah, this is going to cost something to mail even. And then 250 mixed puzzle collection. She says this is not brand new. I worked a couple, but it's mostly brand new. So yeah, look at this. I mean, there's dominoes in a book. I've never seen that. But all kinds of puzzles in here. So thank you, Miss Arlene. We do dearly appreciate your contribution to our bingo prizes. And I'll put your name and sticky notes on them and start them in with the bingo prizes. Thank you. Anybody that wants to send prizes for the bingo, just get in touch with me and I'll send you my mailing address. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.